In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a signed envelope in DocuSign. To get started, open the DocuSign website and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage documents for more than one team or organization. Once you're logged in, head to the Manage section. This is where DocuSign stores and organizes your envelopes, including the ones you've already sent out. Inside Manage, select the Send tab. This will show you the envelopes that have been sent from your account. From here, find the signed envelope you want to void. If you have a long list of documents, take a moment to carefully check the envelope name, recipient details, or date so you choose the correct one. When you've found it, select the envelope to open its details. This page gives you more information about the document, including its status and available actions. Look for the More menu or the Actions option, depending on how your DocuSign view is set up. Open that menu, then select Void. At this point, DocuSign will ask you to enter a reason for voiding the envelope. Be clear and professional here, since the reason may be recorded as part of the envelope history. After entering the reason, review the void details carefully. This is a good moment to pause and confirm that you're voiding the correct envelope, because this action is important and may affect recipients and document tracking. Once you're sure everything looks right, confirm that you want to void the envelope. After that, wait a moment while DocuSign processes the request. In most cases, this only takes a short time, but it's still a good idea to let the system finish updating before moving on. When the process is complete, return to the envelope details. Here, you'll want to verify that the envelope status has changed to voided. This final check is important because it confirms that the action was successful and that the envelope is no longer active. If you don't see the updated status right away, try refreshing the page and checking again. That can help if there's a slight delay in the system update. And that's it. You've successfully voided a signed envelope in DocuSign. Thanks for watching.